Hi everybody, let's talk about how you're able to use your built-in webcam on the computer to be able to record some video. First of all, you're going to need to be able to open up the webcam. Now, if it's not along that bottom tray on your computer, you're going to need to open it, and there's a really simple way to do that. All you need to do is on your keyboard, just depress, push down one time, the Windows key. It's the one that looks like the Windows icon. When you do that, up will pop a window that looks like this in Window 10. Then just start typing the words camera. And you'll see right on the side there, the word camera popped up. Click on that. And this is what you're going to see. You'll be able to see right over on the side here. Here's the camera icon for being able to take a still photo. And right above that, there's the video mode, and the video mode is what we're going to want to be in order to take our video. So when I click on that video mode, there we go. This icon changes to video mode, and on the bottom you'll be able to see that a timer has begun. So once that timer is down there and you're ready to go, you can start recording. So all you have to do is push the take video button, and now it's recording, and you'll see down on the bottom the elapsed time is showing for this. Record your video, make sure you speak up so that the microphone is able to pick you up, and when you're all done, just go back over again and click that red button. Now the video has finished, and it's been saved to your camera roll, and that's where you'll be able to access that video. Very, very simple to be able to do. So this is how you're able to use the built-in webcam for the recordings that you'd like to do. I do want to bring up one note during this video. My mouth wasn't necessarily matching up. That's because I'm recording a video using the video camera to be able to do that, and I've got two different things going at the same time. So that's something you'll just kind of want to keep track of. You won't have that problem. That's only unique to what I'm doing. So hopefully that'll clarify, just in case you're wondering why everything doesn't totally sync. So thanks everybody, and have fun beginning to create some videos.